Hey, everyone. Last week I showed you Notion templates. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I made my first $500 selling digital products on Etsy. What worked, what didn't, and how you can start too. Etsy isn't just for handmade crafts. There's a massive audience looking for instant downloads, planners, printables, templates. Low barrier to entry, no inventory, no shipping. People come to Etsy ready to buy. I listed a content planner template for Notion and a printable habit tracker. Price point, $5 to $15. One-time effort, unlimited sales. My first sale came in 3 days. Title optimization is key. Use keywords people search for. I used clean, minimal designs in Canva that highlight the product benefit. 13 relevant tags and descriptions that focus on solving problems, not just features. First month results, 25 sales, $500 total revenue. Notion Planner, 15 sales times $10 equals $150. Printable Tracker, 10 sales times $7 equals $70. After Etsy fees, I netted $450. A small Pinterest push created a traffic spike that boosted sales even more. What worked? SEO-friendly titles, simple aesthetic product images, and offering low-cost entry products that solve real problems. Biggest mistakes. I didn't build an email list early and took too long to create more products. Don't make these same errors. That's how I made my first $500 with just 2 digital products on Etsy. Download my free starter kit. Link in description. Subscribe for next week's video on the top 5 digital products you can create right now.